Let's click on avatars by Neiro AI. I think I've already installed this for a time. And wow, it's also similar to our previous one, which is the Heijian AI. Let's try this one. I'm going to pick an avatar here. I think this one is the first one that I tried using the Gen AI function. Yes, I can definitely recall this. This one is the first time. It has like a limited set of examples that you can use. Let's click on this one. It doesn't even have a name. Let's say my name is Jesse and I'm your virtual presenter. You can select the language here. For example, there's no Filipino. I think there's no Filipino here. Let's try British English or American English. Yeah. And you can use your voice, which is I think the UI here is not that appropriate, because how can I how can I know a specific icon for a voice if I don't have like an option? I think who did create this? I think it's Neiro AI. Okay, it's called Studio Neiro AI, and I think this UI choice is not appropriate for this. Let's click on preview speech.
This audio is generated with Neiro AI technology.
Okay, so let's try to generate video from this, based from this. It usually takes around a minute for this to be created. So again, for those who are still watching this video session live, kindly comment or say hi, hello. Let's click add to page. So it's already processed for it's much more faster than a minute. Let's click on add to page. And this one is already here. I'm going to click on the video and try to fit this or fill this in the actual video. I can also use the function of Express for us to remove the background. So you will see here, let's try to remove the background. It will also take like a minute for this to be processed. It's just 4 seconds, so it will be a bit fast on our end because yeah, it's working its magic right now. Yeah. So this one, I'll try to play this clip.
And I am your virtual presenter.
Let's try this again.
Hi, my name is Jesse, and I am your virtual presenter.